Hi guys, here is a quick workaround on how you can cancel purchases after making a test purchase on TestFlight. So this is one of our TTS app. Let me open it. And it has annual and monthly subscription. Maybe later. Let's test by using one of the Pro voices on this offline text-to-speech app. Upgrade now. And let me quickly get the annual subscription. Subscribe. And you can see it is for testing purpose only. Purchase was successful, and now we can use any voice on the app. Now we install this app using TestFlight to test if it works or not. But there is no way I can cancel the subscription if I have to retest. Apple takes some time to auto-cancel, which can be a little pain. So here is a workaround we used. Simply go to Settings, scroll down and go to General and go to Date and Time. Remove the automatic date and choose today's date to something else. After a week maybe. It is done. Now if I open the app, let me close the app and reopen it. You can see it is again asking for subscription. All voices are Pro now. If I close the app and again revert the date to automatic, now it does not ask for the subscription as it's the full version. So this is the only workaround we have seen so far. If you have better ideas to cancel TestFlight subscription, please do share with us. Thank you very much.